Are you getting the Refit Newtonsoft JSON Library DLL error after the Refit Project update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. Ensure your Refit Newtonsoft JSON Library environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Refit Newtonsoft JSON Library, a specialized extension for the Refit REST library that manages the JSON-based data serialization for API requests. It is a mandatory dependency for hundreds of modern automated backup and sync tools. If missing, the app will report assembly mismatch, preventing any web connectivity. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The Refit Newtonsoft JSON Library DLL library is a specialized component of the Refit Project system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Refit Newtonsoft JSON library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. A vital technical reminder: modifying Refit Newtonsoft JSON Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The official utility reference below outlines an approach to managing Refit Newtonsoft JSON Library within a Windows library environment. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Refit Newtonsoft JSON Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.